Editor 2024. The most powerful editor in the world. First, I will teach you how to edit photos, and then I will teach you how to make 8K, 4K, 3D photos, how to make a logo, and how to convert text into photos. Hello to my genius and flower friends. Welcome to Editor Girlich channel. It is not a coincidence that you chose me, because nothing happens. I will teach you the easiest way to edit photos without any skills. You just need to pay attention. Well, let's start. Open the picsart program. On the very first page, you will be offered some edits. You can choose one of these suggested edits. And you can also search the edit page you want from the search section above. For example, Scary Edit, YouTube Edit, Instagram Edit. Well, I have already selected the edits and saved them in the saved section. You can do the same thing, after you have chosen the edit you want. Now do the things that I do in order and edit to your taste as simply and in 5 minutes. If you have any questions or need help, comment. I will surely answer you, dear ones. You know, my friend, if you do not subscribe to my channel will not grow and I will have to delete it. Thanks to all of you who support me.
Hi, my name is Annabelle and welcome to my tea party. Cookie? Whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Penny, can you pass on the Ouija board for me?
You sure?
I am Belle. Can't you tell? You will meet my haunted friends, or you will go to hell. Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Now, to create the desired photo or logo, we go to the text to photo conversion section. And you write the text you want and touch the photo generation option. As simple as that.
Someone to
Thank you very much to my flower friends who were with me until the end of this video. Write me your comments, and if you like the tutorial, leave a comment so that I can teach you. Every day I am the guest of your hearts with a tutorial video. Stars are not born, they are made.